Hello everyone, my name is Murkor Haji Mohammed, a first year business English major. My student ID is 6150117059. Today I am going to show you about how to use network troubleshooting, and I am going to use IP config and ping. Let's start with the click on start button and search command and click on it. Yes, there it is. Now we are on command prompt. I'm going to use IP config and enter. IP config is display all current TCP/IP network configuration values. It gives you basic information to get your IP address, your router's IP address, DNS server IP address, DHCP server IP address, etc. It can do many things, but today I will tell you just only one way how to use IP config. Yes, adapter. No, turning adapter local area. Yes, there it is. It's called the eternal adapter local. So this is connection is the connection where you plug in your internet work, and this is information pertaining to that connection. Let's move to about ping. We are going to write ping and enter. It appears like this, and ping is can check internet on each website. I will give you two examples. First, I am going to check on YouTube. Right ping spacebar and write www.youtube.com and enter. This is a current ping of YouTube, as you see, and two example is just write ping spacebar and www.yahoo.com and enter. The same thing like YouTube, and if internet has show higher number, it means internet is so slow. But if ping has show lower number, it means you have really nice internet. That's all I have today. Thank you.
Hello, I am Piyawat Puntavi, a first year business English student. My student ID is 615-011-7025. I will go over on trace IT command and ls lookup command. Let's continue on trace IT command. It will let you see step by step a packet, a route take to reach the destination, the website that you specify. If you send a packet to specified website, before it reaches the website server, it will go through many different routers. So we can use the word hop instead of routers. Let's run the command. Open the command prompt. And type trace energy spacebar youtube.com and enter. We are getting the list of routers that we are hitting as we are crossing to youtube.com. It may take some time to get to the destination, the youtube.com. Alright. This is YouTube IP address. As you see, we went through 15 router before reaching youtube.com. For troubleshooting, we can run trace IT command, and if there are any problem, it will tell you like this: request timeout, or it will be destination unreachable. So you can fix out the problem easier. The last network command is ls lookup. It will let you get a given domain name and an IP address from DNS server. If I want to know the IP address of youtube.com, I could type ls lookup spacebar youtube.com and enter. It will tell you an IP address of your current router. And it will show you all IP address of youtube.com. You can type any of these IP address in your browser. You will get to youtube.com.